Well, we have a tornado watch in effect, not for the Metroplex.
Okay.
It's far western sections of North Texas. So that's what I want to start with tonight. And as you take a look at this, it does include Gainesville and Bowie, so Montague and also Cook County, and then off locations off to the west, Jack County on down to Palo Pinto County, and then we have Eastland, Breckenridge, and Graham all under that tornado watch until 5 o'clock in the morning. Again, not the Metroplex. I would be surprised if we're not under at least a severe thunderstorm watch in the Metroplex, but that probably wouldn't be issued until 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So just keep an eye on that. We'll keep you updated, I promise. We have severe thunderstorm warnings for these thunderstorms that have fired up here out in the far western sections of western Oklahoma. This line will continue to expand and kind of really build back down to the south. That's where the line is at 11 o'clock. There's midnight, okay? Then we head toward 1 o'clock in the morning. A little thunderstorm activity out here develops across the rolling plains out in the big country, but here's our main line. That's 1, here's 2 o'clock in the morning, starting to fill in by 2 a.m. So there's nothing, I mean, this is 3 o'clock in the morning, nothing at all happening in Dallas, Fort Worth, or areas off to the east. But at 3 in the morning, western sections of North Texas are under the gun, and that's why that tornado watch has been issued until 5 o'clock in the morning. 4 in the morning, some activity trying to approach the far west side of the Metroplex, but it's really around 5-ish or so. Really, my window for the Metroplex is, if it's a 2-hour window, it's 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. It'll start, of course, on the west, and then it will end off on locations to the east. There's 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. So the timing is when you're heading out to work, you're taking the kids to school tomorrow. Again, daybreak starts with meteorologist Greg Fields. Make sure you're watching him and the whole team tomorrow morning from 5 to 7 a.m. Greg will have the latest on the timing and these severe weather threats, the latest on traffic issues as well. Certainly, you know, anytime it rains here in Dallas, Fort Worth, it's like having, 3 feet of snow. We have all kinds of travel problems, so expect that tomorrow morning. By 8 o'clock, the cold front is east of the Dallas area, and that means all the activity has shifted into East Texas. And I see some sun coming out in a number of locations in the Metroplex tomorrow by 8 o'clock in the morning as it continues to shift off to the east. It's sunny at 9 o'clock in the morning. Everything keeps moving east at 10 a.m. And look at that. I mean, by 9 o'clock, the sun is out, and those are some passing clouds as we head through tomorrow afternoon. So behind that front, it is going to be really windy. Windy overnight tonight, but even more windy during the day tomorrow. That's why we have that wind advisory in place. Winds at 7 a.m., 33. Winds up to 43 at 9 a.m., 47 miles an hour at noon. Could be in the 50s, middle of the afternoon, and we stay in the mid-40s by 7 p.m. tomorrow. So now we're going to have the rain tonight, the severe weather threat early tomorrow morning, Metroplex 5 to 7 a.m., a little earlier to the west of Fort Worth, a little later to the east of Dallas. But as this Pacific front moves in, guess what? Parts of West Texas will be deposited in North Texas. That's right. I expect a lot of dust to be blown in from Lubbock, from Midland, from Odessa, parts of the Panhandle as well. It has been so crazy dry out there for quite a while. I mean, it has been weeks and weeks since they have seen rain. Those strong winds on the backside of this front, it's going to pick up all of that dust and deposit it here in North Texas, and expect the winds to pick up tomorrow and the hazy skies to prevail. My forecast tonight has all that in it. Thunderstorms developing very, very late tonight. Some of those severe, very windy. 61 is the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, early morning storms are over with, and then sky just kind of transitioned there for just a moment to my childhood, storms. Clearing skies very quickly as we head through the afternoon or the morning, and then just a very windy day with blowing dust. We'll hit 72 tomorrow. There's the next 7 days. And you can see we have nice weather, dry weather, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have some rain in the forecast Saturday. And Saturday night, early Sunday morning, spring forward. Daylight saving time begins, standard time ends. Sunshine at 70 on Sunday, 76 on Monday. The next chance of rain after tonight, early tomorrow morning, and Saturday is the following Friday, March 14th. And then the weekend after that, Saturdays and Sundays, look at that, 70s then, and then St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day.